Hey guys, I just had a question about how we do our ladder racks on our Dodge 2500s on our flatbeds, and I'll show you what I did to make it so we can use it and use the ladder and that kind of stuff. But don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber and you want to learn how to pressure wash. There's a lot of awesome videos on this channel. I got between myself and Michael Kreisley, you can learn how to pressure wash. So please subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell, make the ding 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 sound to get you, the up-to-date information. But here, I'll show you what I got going on here. I used the headache rack up here, so the ladder's just sitting on there. In the back here, I took a piece of, I think it's like 2 by 3 inch square, and I made an upright here coming out of the pocket and one right here. And then I used the ladder, I used my pressure washer to actually tie the ratchet strap to it to hold the ladder there. This isn't really strong, so I don't like it tied to it. And so that's how we do it. But I'll just show you here around, and that's how we're able to carry a 28-foot ladder. We do carry a 28-foot ladder versus a 32 or a 40. 24 sometimes don't get you all the way up. The difference between a 28 and a 32-foot ladder is like 7-8 pounds, and nobody wants to carry extra weight on your shoulder when you're tired. So that's why we carry that. But again, hey, like I say, give me if you got any questions, I'm happy to answer them. I hope you have an awesome day. Spring is here. Last week we got 50 leads, first week of March, which is awesome, phenomenal. Usually we're getting 50 leads in May, and we're already getting that many in March. So pressure washing season is here, and it's supposed to be 30 degrees this week. So remember, keep advertising. Advertising is very important. Marketing is very important. But hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, write me a comment in below. Thanks, bye.